In workforce management, we use adherence to show that our agents are doing what they're scheduled to be doing when they're scheduled to be doing it. Now, how do we know for all the activities we've created if the agent is doing that said activity? So here under schedule configuration, we have all of the different activities that we can schedule our agents for. Now, our view into what the agent is doing is into their Zoom Contact Center status. So if we go under Preferences here, we have the tab of Agent Status Mapping. So here on the left, we have all of the different activities from that previous page, whether or not they're used for calculating adherence. And then we have a status. And this status is the status information we receive from Zoom Contact Center to tell us what they're doing. So the idea here is if they're scheduled for a phone activity, I want them to be in a ready state in Zoom Contact Center, or potentially in an occupied state, which means they're on the phone. So if they're in either of those two states, I know that they're doing the activity that they're scheduled to do. Likewise for chat, you're going to be in a ready or occupied state. Same thing with overtime, ready or occupied. Now, let's say if you're on your 15-minute break, you're going to be in a not ready state. And once we select not ready, we can actually select a substatus. So if we click here, we're going to say not ready, break. And that is going to show us that you have gone into not ready with the break substatus to tell us that that is what you're doing. Likewise with lunch, we're going to be in a not ready state. And it's going to bring up the substatus. So we can say not ready meal. And you go down the list here and you map all of your activities to your contact center states. So then when we go back to adherence, we're able to see that this agent is scheduled for phone. They're currently in not ready, so they are out of adherence. And that's how we match scheduled activities against statuses to track real-time adherence.